Before the story begins, listen carefully. If you feel weak today, this story will give you strength. If you feel lost, this story will give you direction. And if you want to improve your English while changing your mindset, subscribe now to JA Info Urdu. Stay with me till the end, because the last message may change how you see your life. This story is not only for listening practice. It is for your heart. It is for your confidence. It is for your future. Today you will listen to the life story of Prophet Muhammad. A true story, a powerful story, a story that teaches you how to rise when life pushes you down. This topic matters because many people today feel broken inside. You try, you fail, and slowly, you stop believing in yourself. The life of Prophet Muhammad shows you that even the hardest beginning can lead to the greatest ending. Listen slowly, listen with focus, and let this story speak to you. Prophet Muhammad was born in Makkah. He did not begin life with comfort. He did not have parents to protect him. His father passed away before he was born. His mother passed away when he was very young. He grew up as an orphan. Think about that pain, think about that loneliness. Yet he never became bitter. Even as a child, people noticed something special. He was honest, he was calm, he was kind. As he grew older, people trusted him. They called him Al-Amin, the trustworthy one. Before leadership, there was character. Before success, there was honesty. This is a lesson for you. Your background does not decide your future. Your character does. As a young man, he worked hard. He carried goods for trade. He walked long distances. He never cheated. He never lied. Because of this, respect followed him. Remember this. Real success starts with trust, and trust is built by small, honest actions every day. At the age of 40, his life changed forever. While he was alone in the cave of Hira, revelation came to him. He was chosen as the messenger of Allah. But with this honor came great hardship. When he spoke the truth, people laughed. They insulted him. They called him a liar. They threw stones at him. They hurt him with words and actions. Still, he did not stop. He did not answer hate with hate. He answered hate with patience. There were days without food. There were nights full of tears. Yet, he kept going. Ask yourself now, when life becomes hard, do you stop trying? When people doubt you, do you give up? This story teaches you that pain is not a signal to quit. It is a signal to grow. When the pressure became too heavy, he left his home. This journey is called Hijrah. Leaving your comfort is never easy. But sometimes, growth demands sacrifice. In Medina, he did not build revenge. He built a community. He taught people to care for the poor, to respect women, to help one another. He led with mercy, not fear. Once a woman used to throw garbage on him every day. One day she did not come. Instead of feeling happy, he went to her house. She was sick. This kindness changed her heart. Understand this. True strength is not in power. It is in self-control. Step by step, his message spread across the world. Not by force, not by fear, but by truth, by consistency, by discipline. This is your lesson. Big change takes time. Strong success needs patience. Change your belief first. Believe that you can grow. Believe that your struggle has meaning. Then, take action. Small steps. Every day. Discipline is doing what is right, even when you feel tired. Toward the end of his life, Prophet Muhammad returned to Makkah, the same city that hurt him, the same people who forced him to leave. Now he had power, and what did he do? He forgave them. No revenge, only mercy. This moment teaches you something powerful. When you rise, stay humble. When you win, stay kind. Now listen carefully to the final hook. If an orphan could change the world with patience and truth, then you can change your life with belief and effort. Here is the summary. He started with nothing, but he never lost his character. He faced pain, but he never lost hope. He changed the world by first changing himself. If you want to improve your English through listening and build a strong mindset, keep listening to stories on JA Info Urdu. Subscribe, listen daily, and grow daily. And remember this final line: your story can change the moment you decide not to give up.